Our last video ended with us heading to Drumheller, Alberta on our way to Goshen, Indiana. Drumheller is part of a region known as the Canadian Badlands, which span east from Drumheller to the Saskatchewan border and south to the United States. It is home to the largest deposits of dinosaur bones in the world. The Badlands get their name from early French explorers who described the area as bad lands to cross due to their steep-sloped mesas and deep winding coulees and numerous hoodoos. So here we are in Drumheller, and we're at the Dinosaur RV Park. It's an interesting little town. We just got in last night, so we haven't really taken a good look around, but we woke up to all this snow. Oh, yeah, 7 degrees in the RV this morning. We are on the road to the Royal Tyrrell Museum.
Driving through the Badlands.
We are in the Badlands. It's a nice lookout up here, but it's closed for the season. Just up on top there. This is the entrance in. Interesting wall. Okay, so we just bought our tickets right there. And now this is what we walked into. Beautiful. We've just arrived at Willow Bend RV Park in Maple Creek, Saskatchewan. Had a great travel day, nice and sunny. Roads were good, Trans-Canada Highway most of the way here. And this is the campground. It's a really beautiful morning. Just taking Henry for his morning walk. It's cold. I think it's like, what, -4. But the nice thing is we have no immediate neighbors. So Kevin and I are in Maple Creek, Saskatchewan. And we are doing our laundry. You may have remembered seeing laundry machines in our RV, but we actually got rid of those in Ottawa because they just don't work if the pressure isn't good. You can only put one outfit in the dryer apparently. So we thought, let's just get rid of it and we'll use laundromats, and it actually has worked out really well.
Yeah,
I think
laundromats have been good, and
yeah,
big machines, and you can get through your laundry a lot quicker.
Yeah, exactly. Hour and a half, it's done. So we're just walking the town of Maple Creek. It's kind of nice. Saskatchewan, I did say that at the beginning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And population is around 2,200. And it's a nice little town.
It's a really nice prairie town.
Yeah. I'll show you what it looks like. So just nice streets, It's very quiet. Everything is shut down. It's Wednesday, and all the businesses are closed. I don't think we could grab a bite to eat if we wanted to. Doesn't smell like a bake shop. What's this? Keep calm and smoke. Mary Jane's Stream. I don't think that's a bake shop, Kev.
Can I get some cookies to go?
We are in Regina. It is Friday, October 25th, 2024. And we've arrived at our campground, which is very nice. We're over there. It's 4:45 at night. We've had a good travel day. Beautiful weather. It's about 10 degrees. And we haven't been in Regina for about 20 years. We were here when the boys were little. So we're going to go explore a little bit and see what it looks like now. We're on our way to a football game at Mosaic Stadium in Regina, Saskatchewan. The game starts in about an hour, so hopefully we'll get a place to park. Pretty exciting. I brought some gear. There we go. Kevin has his hat.
We're all set. It's going to be great just to visit Mosaic Stadium. It's a wonderful facility, and for a city of less than 300,000 to have such a beautiful stadium is quite something.
Yeah, it's really nice. We were walking around last night, went to get our gear at their store, which was open fortunately, and nice, huge store at the stadium, and very nice stadium. I can't wait to get inside and show you guys. So we're just on our way to the stadium, found a great place to park. Literally 5 minutes away. Hopefully we're allowed to park there where everyone else was.
Lynn, put your toque on. There she goes, all in the game colors. Hey, it looks good. That's awesome.
There's Mosaic Stadium.
So we're here at Mosaic Stadium. We just got through security and really looking forward to the game. We just have to find our seats now.
We've got the best bands in the CFL, and during each home game, we're proud to highlight the 620 CKRM season ticket member of the game. Here is today's SIGA starting lineup for your Riders defense.
We've been driving all day,
Yeah.
and we have we have another 2.5 hours, and we'll be at our next campsite, KOA Journey in Bismarck, North Dakota. Can't see anything. We're going to be in the States for 5 months. Starting today, we just crossed the border. The border crossing went really well, by the way. Everyone gets nervous crossing the border, but it actually went well. I think Henry is a good icebreaker. The border crossing agent really liked him. Thought he was a pretty good looking dog. He just asked us some questions about how long we were going to stay, where we were from. He asked if he could see the inside, so Kevin went and unlocked it. So he just poked his head in and looked around, and that was it. And then we were on our way, so that was good. Good experience. And yeah, we'll stay at the KOA Journey in Bismarck, North Dakota for the next 5 nights, and then we will figure out where else we will stay on our way to Goshen, Indiana to get our rig repaired. One of the nice things about traveling this way in our RV is that we get to meet a lot of nice people. And when we stayed in Bismarck, North Dakota, we met a very nice lady, Bella, and her little girl, Graceland. And Graceland really took to Henry. She just loved him. We would meet at the dog park because they had 2 dogs. And Henry loved playing with the dogs, and he loved Graceland. We also had a very nice neighbor. His name is Kim and his wife Susan, and we ended up going out for dinner, and we're staying in touch with all of them. So it's been really nice.